Now this is fair warning. Do not click on this video if you think I'm a fish, because I'm not. I'm learning like everybody else is. I'm just showing you how I do mine. Okay, you guys. So in this part, all I do is take a regular eyebrow archer and just touch up all the unwanted hair. Line it up to make it straight. Also, just be precise. Try to get as close as I can. If I can't get it really close, then I'll just take my tweezers and pick the hairs that I can't remove with the razor. But this is just to shape it and sharpen it up a little bit, as you can see in this clip right here. So typically I just start with the bottom, and then once I'm done with the bottom, I like how that look. I'll just do the top of my eyebrow. I don't like them too thin. I try to keep them where they like full. Okay, so as you see, once I get done with arching it and plucking out the hairs that I really didn't want, I just go with the alcohol and just wipe it. It burns really bad, but it's just to ensure that it's clean. And then I'll just take the concealer in the lightest to give it that pretty arch shadow look. And once I put that on, then I'll just go and blend it out. And I do this for both eyes. And also a little goes a long way too. You don't really need a lot. And I use the angle brush. And the color I'm using right there is Warm Honey. Yeah, so once I blend it out, I just go back and darken up my eyebrows because as it taper off, it's really thin and really light. So I just wanted to go back and put some color to it. And I'm using a dark brown, and I am running out, so that's why I gotta like damn near scrape my eyebrow in to get the color. I need to go back and get some more. what y'all gonna do. You're trying not to go too crazy because you don't want to look like a she-man. So light as can be to make it look more natural. After I do that, I just apply my lashes. These are strips, not individuals. I use the lash adhesive, just a little bit goes a long way. After I do that, I just apply some mascara to blend my natural lashes with the falsies. Look at me checking myself out. Alright, so right here I'm just applying some edge control to my balding edges. That's what happened to baby do too. They don't tell you this part that you lose your hair and shit. That's okay, cause I made it do what it do. You know, it ain't too much work. Look at my baby all in the back. She like her mama. Okay, so you know to finish it off, I gotta swoop it, girl. Hey. But the only time my edge is acting correct. Take my little yarn bun out. I did my hair in some yarn braids. It's old. I just thought it was cute. Look at me. Hey girl, hey. Who is that girl? Ooh. One more time. Flick it. Ooh. Stop that girl. Hey. Oh, when you know you feeling yourself. A little goes a long way, I swear, y'all. But you know, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow me on all my social media at Carter Reality TV. You guys have you a blessed day, ladies. Remember, treat yourself first, and no one else will. Bye.